The Energy of Money, by Maria Nemeth, is a practical and spiritual guide to achieving financial and personal fulfillment. The book encourages readers to view money as a tool for creating a fulfilling life and to transform their relationship with money. Nemeth's approach is based on the principles of energetic psychology and focuses on 4 concepts: clarity, focus, ease, and strength. She believes that by applying these principles, readers can overcome limiting beliefs and habits and create a more positive relationship with money. The first part of the book focuses on the clarity principle. Nemeth stresses the importance of understanding one's values and goals and aligning them with financial decisions. She provides exercises and tools to help readers identify their priorities and make financial choices that are in line with their values. The focus section of the book encourages readers to stay focused on their goals and values and avoid distractions. Nemeth provides tips for managing time and resources effectively and avoiding procrastination. The ease section focuses on developing a healthy relationship with money and releasing negative emotions around it. Nemeth encourages readers to adopt a positive mindset and practice forgiveness, gratitude, and generosity. The final section, strength, is about developing the resilience to overcome challenges and setbacks. Nemeth provides strategies for mindset shifts and taking action in the face of adversity. Overall, The Energy of Money empowers readers to take charge of their financial lives and to use money as a tool for creating a fulfilling and meaningful life. The book is filled with practical exercises and tips that can be applied immediately to transform one's relationship with money.